Okay, hi everyone, welcome back. And in this update, we are going to check out XDC's chart and see what is happening. And if you remember, in the previous XDC video, we were right in here and I was saying this move down can continue a bit more for another 6 to even 10% in order to reach to around a very important H4 timeframe support about 6.9 cents. And then I said, in here, I'm hoping that we get a very strong bounce off of this important region. So what happened? We did get a move down to about this point, and it seems like that we are getting our bounce back. Now, in today's update, I'm going to check out two different possibilities. One scenario suggests that maybe from here in XDC, we are going to have a move on the downside, but this is going to be kind of a slow and choppy move down, and it might be a long opportunity because after this move, if it is going to have the characteristic of a corrective movement, we are going to have another move up. The other possibility suggests that we don't really even need to go down from here. No, we can do something like this and then we can continue this upturn. Now, basically I said, okay, in XDC, either we are going to get a move down or maybe we are going to get a move up. That's really, really genius. You see, the point that I'm trying to make is this. You need to first pay attention to this move on the downside right in here. Let's go on crypto.com's chart because I think in there we are having better looking candlesticks. Absolutely. So here's the thing. If you want to say that our move up in any chart is over, you need to be able to find off of the highest side in here a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave down, and in any kind of impulsive structure, wave 3 is not allowed to be the smallest wave. This is a big no-no in Elliott's waves. Why is this so important? Because let's zoom in more. Okay, here's a question for you. How exactly are you able to tell me in this structure down in XDC, in this move, we are having a 5 wave down? For me, it is very hard to say this is an impulse on the downside. And do not get me wrong, it is possible to find a 5 wave, but the shape of it, it's going to be so odd to a degree that it's going to make me say, you know what, it's probably not going to be my primary case, which means in my primary scenario, I'm going to consider this move down as a correction structure and say one way or the other in XDC, I think we can kind of confidently say that this move up overall is going to continue. Now, either from here we are going to have a move on the upside, or maybe we are going to have one more move down, and then from there we are going to have a move up. One way or the other, the final result so far from my point of view at least is the same, and it's the fact that we are going to have something like this. And in terms of how strong this move is going to be, for now I don't really have a good answer for you, I'm sorry. But if this scenario is happening and the bottom is actually in, well, the next move up in XDC is actually going to be kind of a big one. So if we see a very strong move up at that point, we can say with quite a bit of confidence that the final low is in and this bullish scenario is in play. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in XDC's chart. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.